I don't think people understand just how the Soviet wrestlers became the strongest in the world, without ever needing heavy weights. Today, we're about to uncover the secret that changed everything. Hey everyone, Chris Haria here. Today, we're diving into the legendary Soviet wrestling training philosophy. From 1952 to 1992, Soviet athletes ruled the Olympics, winning more wrestling medals than any other country. What was their secret? It wasn't about lifting the heaviest weights. Instead, they built their strength using their own body weight. Many Soviet champions rarely touched a barbell. This challenges everything we thought we knew about getting strong. Is strength just about lifting heavy things, or is it about what your body can actually do? The Soviets focused on mastering their own body control, building functional, lasting strength. Their athletes weren't just strong, they were incredibly tough, rarely getting hurt. They trained their bodies to handle pressure from all angles. Strength wasn't isolated to muscle groups, it was built into every movement. Today, we're breaking down the exact methods and exercises that created these champions. You'll see why your own body is the most advanced gym equipment you'll ever need. Get ready to change how you train. We're about to unlock the secrets behind true functional strength. Let's dive in and transform your training. This is the foundation of the Soviet system. Let's compare two types of strength. Imagine a modern bodybuilder, huge muscles, lifting super heavy weights, all about gym strength. Now picture a classic Soviet wrestler, leaner but built for real-life fighting. In a wrestling match, the wrestler wins. Why? Their strength is dynamic, built for chaos and the unexpected. Wrestlers control resisting bodies, not just barbells. They need strength in their neck, grip, core, and toes, all at the same time. Their training builds whole-body teamwork, not just individual muscles. Gym strength is cool, but functional strength wins on the mat. Soviet training focused on strength, endurance, flexibility, and being able to bounce back. It wasn't about big numbers, it was about building a body ready for anything. Wrestlers absorb force, create power from any position, and overcome opponents. They weren't just building muscles, they were building weapons. This is a mindset shift. Training for strength that works for you everywhere. Functional strength is the real goal. The Soviets mastered it. If you want real, usable strength, this is the way. Let's look at how they did it. So, how did the Soviets build this foundation? With super effective bodyweight exercises. The wrestler's bridge, the ultimate neck and back builder. A strong neck protects your spine and helps you fight off chokeholds. The bridge strengthens everything from your traps to your spinal erectors. Next up, high-rep bodyweight squats, hundreds per session for insane endurance. This builds legs that never quit, crucial for maintaining explosive power during long matches. For the upper body, 2 moves, Hindu push-ups and one-arm push-ups. Hindu push-ups build strength and flexibility through your shoulders, chest, and triceps. They teach your body to move as one coordinated unit. One-arm push-ups test your single-sided strength and core stability. In wrestling, you're always pushing and controlling with one hand. These moves build pushing power and a rock-solid core. It's not about looking strong, it's about being strong in every position. These exercises are the bedrock for everything else. Master them, and you'll build a body of steel. This is how champions are made. Let's move on to the next level. Once the basics were mastered, the Soviets focused on movement. Enter animalistic movements, bear crawls, duck walks, and grip strength exercises. Bear crawls are super effective full-body exercises that build shoulder strength, core, and leg power. They teach coordination and train you for the horizontal plane, where wrestling happens. Bear crawls build endurance and resilience in fundamental positions. Duck walks, stay in a deep squat and walk forward. This burns your legs and builds hip and ankle flexibility. Staying low makes you harder to take down and quick to change levels. It's brutal, but it works. Grip strength is next. Your hands are your hooks. Towel pull-ups force your grip, fingers, and forearms to work over time. Isometric hangs build grip endurance and decompress your spine. These simple moves create a grip that never quits. Animalistic strength is about moving powerfully in chaos. These exercises make you stronger, more flexible, and harder to beat. This is how you build practical athletic movement. Let's see how they built unbreakable legs. Next, single leg dominance. If you found these Soviet training methods surprising, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on these exercises. What do you think about this animalistic strength? Now, let's talk about building a strong, injury-proof lower body. The pistol squat. It's a one-legged squat that takes strength, balance, and control. It shows and fixes any unevenness, making both legs equally strong. This leads to better stability and fewer injuries on the mat. For the back of your legs, the Nordic hamstring curl. You slowly lower your upper body, using your hamstrings to control it. This builds toughness and explosive power. Strong hamstrings protect your knees and power your movements. Mixing the pistol squat and Nordic hamstring curl creates balanced working legs. The legs of Soviet wrestlers were powerful, flexible, and built to last. This way of training gave them explosive power and staying power. Train both sides and you'll be unbreakable. Here's the real secret: tendon and ligament strength. Lifting heavy weights makes muscles grow fast, but it can leave your other body parts, like connective tissue, behind. That's a recipe for getting hurt. The Soviet bodyweight way, lots of reps holding still and slow lowering, targets your tendons and ligaments. Exercises like the wrestler's bridge and the Nordic hamstring curl make your whole body stronger, from end to end. This builds a strong body from the inside out. Think of tendons like steel cables. The stronger they are, the more power you can safely make. This is why skinny wrestlers can feel surprisingly strong. Their strength comes from a well-trained nervous system and super tough connective tissue. This kind of growth, where everything gets stronger at the same time, is key for good performance and staying strong for a long time. The Soviet system put this foundation first. Real strength is about how good your whole system is, not just how big your muscles are. It's the difference between gym strength and strength that helps you throughout your whole life. So, what's the takeaway? The Soviet wrestling machine was built on discipline, persistence, and mastering your own body weight. No fancy equipment, just the ground and their own bodies. You don't need a gym to build elite strength. The tools are available to you right now. This isn't just about muscles, it's about mastering your body for life. The basics still work. The wrestler's bridge, bodyweight squats, Hindu push-ups. These timeless exercises honor how we're meant to move. You have the blueprint and the philosophy. All that's missing is your action. Start today. No excuses. Build your neck, your legs, your upper body. Go beyond looking strong. Become truly strong. It's a journey of discipline and self-mastery. The path is right in front of you. Which exercise will you try first? Let me know in the comments. It's time to train like a champion. Master your own body. If you want to discover more sports secrets, hit subscribe and like to support me. Don't miss out on the next exciting content.